Shoot him, she busted you. Yeah, baby. How was that for a wait?
Oh my gosh. How's that for a first turkey? Oh my gosh. Oh.
That was the longest wait.
Have you ever waited that long?
No.
Ever. Ever. Oh my God. That was awesome. We worked hard for that one. What did we walk, like 4 miles today?
Over 4 miles, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Got on him a couple that other time over there and couldn't get 3 toms to come in. Came back over here on a whim, last ditch effort before we left, and there goes the hen. And heard this guy gobble, had to sneak through the swamp. Oh man, that was awesome. That was awesome. First turkey ever.
And you earned that one, boy.
Oh my gosh. Turkey hunting with the DVC.
There you go.
Let's go get that.
Let's go get it.
Oh!
First bird.
Dad.
How long is that beard?
What is that? Like 9 inches? 8 or 9 inches?
Oh, it's over 10.
Is it really?
I'd say it's 10. Yep. Along them spurs.
It's not probably not quite an inch, is it?
Yeah, those are just over, well, right at an inch. Sit behind him and put his tail out.
Look at that. What a beautiful bird,
Yeah, baby. DBC.
I couldn't ask for much better than that for the first one. Killer
Heck
Miller
no.
taking me turkey hunting. Shoot my first bird.
Awesome. Yeah, baby. I think you owe me a beer.